So this is Euro dollar analysis for Wednesday the 25th of October. Now let's just see what happened with prices on Tuesday the 24th. So as this analysis for 25th, we'll have a look at the 24th. So on the 24th, we did the analysis in around here. We did expect continuation, especially after we saw some bullish buy momentum off this weekly pivot at 1728 just here, and we did see price come up to this 1770 region that we were looking at. We did break above it, and we did have the dynamic resistance, in this case the 400 period moving average here in black and the 200 period moving average here in blue. We've come up to the 200 period moving average, as can be seen there, combined with this weekly pivot, which was a minor area of 1788, and we did see some selling due to the confluence there. Now we have come back down. Overall, on the higher time frames, we are in an uptrend, so we do have to be aware of that. We do see the market is heading upwards, but there is weakness. The candles are pretty small in size, which indicate there's not a lot of buying momentum at the moment, even though prices are heading up, likely waiting for a news catalyst. So as we are heading up, we'll be looking at the 1770 region, the 200 period moving average, as well as the 400 period, the 200 period moving average up here, 400 period moving average down here, and again these minor levels at 1788, 1810 and 1830. The levels marked out in red are the significant ones. The ones marked out in blue are pretty minor. Now if we do go up to 1770 breakdown, we'll be looking for see what prices do around 1728, whether we do get bounce again, or if we do break above it, we'll look for it to consolidate before possibly retesting these other levels out here, before we might see some further selling to the downside. So let's just have a look on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear that we are still in a bullish trend, as can be seen here. We've had a bit of a pullback all the way down to the 200 period moving average, as well as 20 period moving average just here, but we still look poised for a bull flag and a possible break to the upside. We definitely need to break below this 20 period moving average marked out here in red, and the 200 period moving average marked out here in blue. So the 20 period moving average currently sitting at about 117, and the 200 period moving average is currently sitting at 1680. So we'll definitely be looking at around that 1680 to 1710 zone, as we do have another major level, horizontal level, marked out in red at 1710. So we're just going to have a look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, as we can see, we had the news related selling on Friday, pretty strong close near the low of the candle, and we've had continuation on Monday, but we did see some buying coming into the end of the day, and the buying has followed through on Tuesday. I have a bit of an inverted hammer at the moment, so which after seeing the wick to the low, an inverted hammer where we did go up and sell off a bit, we could potentially see prices go back up to test those levels as mentioned on the lower time frames. We might go up and then return to retest the lows in around that 1728, below which we'll be definitely looking at 1710, and then all the way back down into the 1680s for possible support for another bounce and a move to the upside. But overall, as you can see on this daily chart, I'll just mark it out. So we've had our highs there, we've come up to this 120 region, we've come down, and we seem to be putting in lower highs at present, so we might have prices retrace all the way back down to the 116.12, but that will be a mid to long-term target around the 116.12. Again, we have to look at this in around the 1680 region for possible support for a possible move to the upside. So that should wrap up the euro dollar analysis. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.